In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-format Google Form responses in Google Sheets. This process can save you a lot of time by automatically organizing data so you can focus on more important tasks. Now let's get started. First, navigate to Google Forms. If you haven't created a form yet, go ahead and set that up. But if you already have a form ready to go, perfect. Open the form to ensure you're in the right place. And you can easily spot the Responses tab at the top. This is where all your form submissions will appear once people start filling out your form. Click on this tab to access the responses. If you're new to this setup, seeing your first responses may feel a bit cluttered, but don't worry, we're going to tackle that next. Next, within the Responses section, you'll see an icon that looks like a small green sheet. This is your gateway to Google Sheets, where all these responses will be beautifully laid out. By clicking on that icon, your Google Form responses will appear in a linked Google Sheet. This setup is essential because Google Sheets is where we'll apply the auto-formatting magic. Before we jump into formatting, take a moment to explore the layout. Notice how each response is neatly placed in a row, with individual questions displayed as columns. This systematic organization makes everything a lot easier to manage. With your responses ready in Google Sheets, the next step involves highlighting specific data. Click on any cell in your sheet, preferably something that's part of the last submitted form response. Once you have a cell selected, go to the top menu and click on Format to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you have options to change fonts, adjust cell colors, or bold certain text, among other things. It's a versatile tool that allows you to visually enhance and distinguish important data, ensuring nothing crucial gets overlooked. As you format, remember to keep it consistent so your sheet remains easy to read and analyze. Further, if you have particular requirements like classifying data based on submission time or highlighting responses from specific users, conditional formatting is your friend. Access this by clicking Format again, but this time select Conditional Formatting. This feature allows you to highlight cells that meet specific criteria you set, like changing cell colors based on the contents. As you explore these capabilities, I encourage you to get creative but stay organized. This is your chance to tailor your data visualization to suit your needs, making data interpretation faster and more efficient. And there you have it. With these steps, you quietly empower yourself to handle data efficiently using Google Forms and Sheets. Remember, the key lies in setting it up correctly at the start and then letting the systems do the heavy lifting for you. It's a fantastic way to leverage technology efficiently, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Happy formatting?